I decided to lift up my Miata and set it on top of my $500 boat to create the world's first water yata. Hit the lake, and of course the piece of junk doesn't start.
Oh, right there.
All of a sudden, this crazy guy on a water three-wheeler shows up claiming to be a boat expert.
What's the spark plug situation look like?
So we changed the plugs, and turns out he was right. And he sails off into the sunset. We take off, but water starts pouring into the boat immediately.
I don't think he's gonna make it back.
We floor it back to the trailer and make it just in time.
Just barely, dude. She's leaking. We gotta find whatever's leaking, but we just emptied 500 pounds worth of water out of that. So if we can ride it dry, there's no reason that won't rip.
That was full throttle, and we were going maybe 10.
Dude, but in a Miata on water, like, what's the most impressive part about a bear unicycling? That it's unicycling. Don't judge how good it's unicycling.
We're gonna try round two. Dylan's not gonna dump us full of water this time. Can you give us a little push?
Oh, that explains why we're not going anywhere. We're still hooked to the trailer. Good to know.
Classic.
There we go.
There's no water in the back.
We're doing it.
You gotta love the stoke meter right now. It's stuff off the chart. Water yada! Look at that big guy, he's cruising! This is the craziest thing we've ever done! Driving a Miata on the water! It's going so good!
It's so ambitious, and it's always trash. And this time, it's sick, and it works, and it's first try. And I'm so happy, and I'm so proud. I've also never driven a boat before. This is my first time.
Freaking amazing! It works! We have a water yata. Grab us.
Grab us.
Like, even if we just step right out.
Why don't all boats have doors?
The hidden feature that we actually worked really hard for, we can pop the hood off.
And you get a Gavin. We got the beverages. We got the custom lemon yata interior. Nice cozy setup, little footrest. And once you're ready, just get up here, feel the wind in what's left of my hair.
Pull us out! No one put the plug back in. That could have been bad. That was real close to a sinking boat.
If you want your own Miata to turn into a boat, off-road car, or just leave stock, then you're in luck. I'm giving away my red 93. It's super easy to enter. All you have to do is go to my website, getradshop.com, and every dollar you spend there is one entry into the giveaway. I'm excited to share my love of Miatas with you guys, and every dime that we make goes right back into creating more wild content like this Miata boat. And I appreciate you guys so much for your support.
These silly gooses forgot to put the plug into the boat, and it's filled with water. Round two, we've got the bilge plug in.
It's working! All or nothing.
We almost had the 360.
Runs like a dream.
Everything we do falls apart immediately, and this is working so good for first try. I'm blown away. I was betting against us.
Jesus, Brian.
I've never ridden a foil board before, but I saw it on Marketplace for $100 and thought, how hard could it be?
Oh, he's down.
One of the coolest things I've ever done in my entire life is drive a Miata on water. 90% of our ideas are good ideas, but then we execute them poorly. This was a brilliant idea, executed brilliantly.
See, Brian, that time, he do it all the way to the dock. The fact that this works is astonishing. The fact that we can do wake foiling behind it is astonishing. Yo, that worked! We're already in the power band. Dylan, for real though. Oh my god, God!
I've never been in the hood of a car before, let alone driving on a lake. Can't beat this, dude. This is amazing. This is so freaking cool.
Oh! Dude!
The Miata almost went over. Bro, can you imagine if we would have tipped right there? Just a little bit. Come on, we're fine.
Yes!
My lady, your chariot awaits.
How fast does it go?
According to our speedometer, 10 miles an hour. We're in a car and a boat at the same time. Moms.
Woo! 10 out of 10, I'm impressed. Should we join a yacht club now?
Ooh, yes.
This
We can join a
yacht
yacht
club.
club.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Moving to the right.
I'm gonna go wakeboard behind a car in the lake.
This is gonna be so wild. Make sure and subscribe to Shred 80 if you haven't already.
Quick me some magic, Gavin. Give me some, baby. Give me some, baby. Let me go. They're doing it. Riley! Let's go, Gav.
Oh! Dude, as soon as you buried it, it was just too much. And
Too much? Are you good, bro?
The three-wheeler couldn't get out of the water and the rope snapped and just like slapped me in the eye.
Three-wheeler wouldn't get out of the water like it was a normal situation. Sorry, man. I put Dylan in some bad situations sometimes.
We survived, yeah.
It'll buff. Dylan, that's not safe, bro. Shit, man. We need eye protection, huh?
I guess.
All right.
Dude, you just need eye protection anytime you're in within a 5-foot distance of
Yeah.
Dude, we think this was dangerous. Wait until you guys see what Dylan has planned at my house.
Stay tuned for next time.